Complete Web Development Roadmap 2024. In this video, we will guide you through the essential skills and technologies you need to master for a successful career in web development. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Web development constantly evolves, with new tools, frameworks, and practices emerging annually. Build a successful career as a web developer by following a structured roadmap. A guide to help beginners or those looking to level up. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, so keep building, experimenting, and growing your skills. Watch this video as we explore the fastest path to becoming a top-tier developer in 2024. Feeling overwhelmed by web development options? You're not alone. Technology is advancing rapidly, making it difficult to know where to prioritize your efforts. Choosing the right path can be challenging, whether you're starting out or upgrading your skills. But don't worry, the Complete Web Development Roadmap 2024 will guide you through mastering essential skills in this field. Ready to tackle the chaos and build a successful career? Here is a 6-step-by-step complete guide from scratch to become an expert in web development. Step 1 is learning fundamentals of web development to create strong base. Begin by mastering HTML, the language that defines the structure of web pages. Understand elements, tags, attributes, and semantic HTML. Then, delve into CSS to style your web pages. Learn about selectors, the box model, flexbox, grid, and responsive design to create visually appealing and functional websites. As you dive into the fundamentals of web development, mastering JavaScript basics is crucial. Start with the core programming language of the web, covering variables, data types, functions, loops, and events. Additionally, understanding DOM manipulation will allow you to interact with and manipulate HTML elements using JavaScript. For making strong base in web development, you'll explore version control with Git, where you'll learn to track changes in your codebase, collaborate with others, and manage project versions. Now Step 2, learn strong front-end development. Moving on to front-end development, you'll explore advanced JavaScript features such as ES6+ and gain a deep understanding of modern JavaScript concepts like arrow functions, promises, async/await, destructuring, and modules. Additionally, you'll delve into popular JavaScript frameworks and libraries including React, Vue.js, and Angular, each offering unique advantages for building user interfaces and large-scale applications. Get strong knowledge of responsive and accessible design, media queries. Ensure your website works on all devices. Accessibility. A11Y make your website accessible to everyone, including those with disabilities. Learn about ARIA, accessible rich internet applications, and semantic HTML. As you progress through the fundamentals of web development, you'll dive into the world of package managers and build tools. NPM and Yarn will become your go-to for managing project dependencies, while tools like Webpack, Vite, and Parcel will empower you to bundle and optimize your code for production. These are essential skills for front-end development in 2024. Additionally, you'll enhance your CSS with variables, nesting, and mixins using Sass/less. Explore the utility-first CSS framework with Tailwind CSS, and leverage the responsive, mobile-first front-end framework with Bootstrap. Now learn testing. Unit testing. Test individual components using tools like Jest, Mocha, or Jasmine. End-to-end testing. Tools like Cypress and Selenium for testing the entire application flow. Now in Step 3, learn solid back-end development to be master in web development. Learn a back-end language and framework. JavaScript, Node, JS/Express. JS popular for full-stack development with the same language across the stack. Python, Django/Flask Django for full-fledged applications. Flask for lightweight projects. Ruby on Rails convention over configuration framework. PHP, Laravel popular choice for building robust web applications. As you progress through the roadmap, you'll dive into SQL databases, learning to use relational databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQLite. You'll also get familiar with document-based databases like MongoDB. Additionally, you'll explore tools like Sequelize, Node, JS, Django ORM, Python, or Hibernate, Java, to interact with databases using your language of choice. Learn server management and deployment. Understand servers. Learn how web servers like Apache or Nginx work. Cloud services, AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure for deploying and scaling your applications. CI and CD, continuous integration/continuous deployment tools like Jenkins, Circle CI, or GitHub Actions to automate testing and deployment. Docker and containers. Learn to package your applications using Docker for consistency across environments. Take strong knowledge of APIs and authentication. RESTful APIs. Learn to design and consume RESTful APIs. GraphQL. Understand how GraphQL can be an alternative to REST for more flexible queries. Authentication. Implement secure user authentication using JWT, JSON Web Tokens, OAuth, or third-party services like Auth0. Now you are almost finishing. You can start job and earn money. In Step 4, learn full stack development. Learn combine front-end and back-end. Like work on full-stack projects where you build both the client side and server side of an application. Use popular full-stack frameworks like Mean, MongoDB, Express, Angular, Node, JS, MERN, MongoDB, Express, React, Node, JS, or LAMP, Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP. Learn to build real-time features like chat applications using WebSockets and libraries like Socket.io. Focus on optimizing the performance of both front-end and back-end. Learn about caching, lazy loading, code splitting, and server-side rendering, SSR. Now in Step 5, learn advanced topics thoroughly to become a successful web developer and mastering in web development. Now, let's dive into the fundamentals of DevOps. Learn the essentials, including continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD, and infrastructure as code, IAC, with tools like Ansible or Terraform. Learn microservices architecture. Understand how to break down large applications into smaller, independently deployable services. Serverless computing. Explore serverless platforms like AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, and Google Cloud Functions for scalable and cost-efficient deployments. Learn progressive web apps. PWAs learn how to create web applications that provide a native app-like experience using service workers, offline support, and push notifications. Last is Step 6 to build a strong base about soft skills and career development. Develop strong problem-solving and algorithms. Practice algorithms and data structures to improve your problem-solving skills. Websites like LeetCode, HackerRank, or Code Wars can be useful. Code reviews and collaboration. Learn how to effectively participate in code reviews and collaborate with other developers using tools like GitHub or GitLab. Portfolio and networking. Build a portfolio showcasing your projects. Network with other developers through LinkedIn, GitHub, or developer communities. As you progress through the web development roadmap, consider earning certifications like AWS Certified Developer, Google Associate Cloud Engineer, or Microsoft Certified Azure Developer Associate. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies by following blogs, attending webinars, and joining online courses. By following this roadmap, you'll gain the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the ever-changing web development landscape of 2024. Continuous learning and hands-on practice are crucial for staying ahead in the dynamic field of development, regardless of your specialization. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, so keep building, experimenting, and growing your skills. Wish you all the best. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on career path, roadmap about software developer, DevOps engineer, cloud computing, career guidance, tech industry insights, and software development tips. Stay connected to learn more. Thanks for watching.